when the hammer of ages knocks the pulse of the times, when the sword of the firmament points at the dream mountains, trails and hardships along the way, we never cease. 30 years ago, Hualian Machinery Group took the first step of unremitting self-improvement. After 30 years, Hualian people inherit glory and strive for perfection. We will gather every drop into a spirit of ingenuity, a tough characteristics, and a kind of innovation persistence. Never forget why you started, and your mission can be accomplished. This is the growth gift from the times. The history recorded the real totter, also recorded a period of earth-shaking changes. Through 30 years of hard work and technological innovation, Hualian Machinery Group has already become a global market-oriented manufacturer and service provider for packaging machinery and intelligent packaging system. Hualian Machinery Group explored a Hualian-style professional path by its excellent quality, innovative concept, and prompt services. Here we gather a group of top professional team, the talents who have extensive expertise and practical experience. Focus on packaging machinery with professional perspective, practical, dedicated, and diligent attitude. Hualian Machinery Group will integrate innovation into new thinking. Every product is the integrated result of advanced technology and wisdom, so as to be closer to customer needs and improve customer experience and satisfaction. Due to the fact that packaging machinery plays a more and more important role in the market, the times calls us to move forward. Always be ready to be checked. Always have self-talk. As the leading enterprise in packaging machinery field, Hualian Machinery Group is destined to incorporate innovation in broader global perspective. Over the past 30 years, Hualian Machinery Group has no interest in multiple fields, but only focus on diversifying the packaging industry. We have engaged in packaging machinery field when enhancing the core competitiveness of our single machine. We also constantly enriching the product categories. From the single band sealer to the complete packaging line, gain discourse power through technology. Insist on promoting intelligent manufacturing as the main direction. Promote our company to transform and upgrade to integrated, highly efficient and intelligent automatic line packaging system. Being market-oriented and service-oriented for better development, Hualian Machinery Group has advanced rapidly and successfully transformed from made in China to made with wisdom. Build home with love. Take harmony as the same. Hualian people will always hold our ideal and belief, the dedication to career pursuit, and with full enthusiasm for bright future. We are moving forward to create an international renowned leading company in the field of packaging equipment.